Hello everyone, welcome back to IndianCoding.com. Today we are going to study about DES slope and intercept. We have already studied the few things related to slope and intercept in the last session. Now we will study about the more. So now we will explain how we found the slope and intercept for our function. So here what we need to do, the image is already available here, which is the value of y. So when x is equal to 0. The red line is the continuation of blue line from the previous page. So the point where the diagonal line crosses the vertical line axis is the line that slope of the line. How steep the line is. Okay, how steep the line is. Fine. So I have given the slope of line by creating the value of x and y. So how to find the slope? So the slope is defined as how much calorie burnage increases if average pulse increase by 1. It tell how steep the diagonal of line is. So it will provide you once you for just in a normal way you can you understand once you're running or doing something or stepping here or there. So it will obviously your calories will how much calories you burn will be counted, right? It will increment every single time. So for calculating that particular thing, how much you burn, how much you're moving, that means how much you're burning calories. So the graph will automatically goes up. Fine. So in that case, that is what we need to find in a slope and intercept. So if the average pulse is 80, the calorie burn is 240, for example. So if the average pulse is 90, then it will automatically, the burnage will also increase to the 260. So how we are finding? The slope, how to find it, the two methods are already provided in last two lines. You can see on screen. So that is how you can find the slope inside the mathematical term. Fine. So use Python to find the slope. The mathematical way we understood, now we are using the Python to understand this. Fine. In that case, what we just need to do, we have to write, in last session also we discussed, just write the terms x1, y1, x2, y2. You need to write in this term only. Fine. After writing that, you just write the formula s equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Then you automatically get the result. Now let's see how to find the intercept. The intercept is used to find tune of the function ability to predict calorie burnage. So it will predict by using the, like if you are giving like 240 like 20 by 10, okay, so 2, so it will tell you that this much percentage or this much times the calorie has burnt. Okay, so the intercept is the value of y when x is equal to 0. So we see that if the average pulse x is 0, then the calorie burnage y is 80. So the intercept is 80. Okay. Sometimes the intercept has a practical meaning, sometimes it's not. So if the average speed is 0, then the calorie burnage, which is y, is 80. So that is what we need to do. What is the calorie burn here? We need to find that only. So that is how you can find it. Intercept meaning is that. Here the calorie burn is the meaning of the intercept. So once you read everything, then you work on it and start making the graph, you will be able to understand. Fine. Now find the slope and intercept using the Python. How to find this? So the np.polyfit function returns the slope and intercept. So import np as np, okay, and then we will write the health data, what all the health data that is available. This is the format you should write. You can pause this video and read once, then you will be able to understand. I have already mentioned it 2 to 3 times in the last sessions. You can also read it once, and then you will be able to find it and you will definitely get the values. Okay, so that's all for today's class. Tomorrow we'll study about more features related to data science. Thank you so much.